Welcome to our vlog. We're here in KFC. We're having our brekkie here in KFC. So look, Mikhail is having 3 pieces of chicken. Oh my gosh, look. That's him. He ate it already, the bread, the bun,
Yep.
and
The chips.
the chips, and last thing is what?
Chicken.
This gravy, mushroom,
And I want more.
and he wants more. Poor mommy. I just got my muffin, $1 muffin, guys. Look at this. It's
Oh
a
my
dollar,
God.
the double chocolate muffin from Start Mart. We're in front of Caltex. Okay. Behind this KFC is the Start Mart, which is the Caltex. They call Caltex Start Mart. It's like a convenience store, so I got this from Start Mart. We'll try. Bismillah. Good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's really good, guys.
Really good, guys.
And I got like a hot chocolate. They don't serve a hot chocolate, a hot drinks here in KFC, so sweet. But it's alright. This is my brekkie and Mikhail's brekkie. Is that what? It's not a brekkie. That's
Can I try?
That's mine.
Let me try. Sharing is scary.
He doesn't want to share his chicken, so I don't want to share mine. Muffin. That might spill up. So, poor daddy. Daddy just went to work without brekkie, without anything.
Really?
Yeah. He had nothing to eat. But later I have to cook. I already told, what's this? A beef. Ossobuco beef. So, that's it. It's good. I do. Actually, I still want to eat chicken. See what's Mikhail's left on me? It's like, it's just a bone. Guys, look.
Jeez.
He left me like this one only. A letter I do. See? That's my son. You should thank me.
Thank you, Mom.
After this, after a few minutes, he's gonna get hungry again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got hungry very easily.
Because there's no activities he did today. That's why Mikhail is always hungry. He's always stuck in gaming.
They're always spoiling everything. I
I'm
don't like
spoiling him just today. See? These are
My mom said
You
she
know what?
doesn't love me.
no. If I don't love you, I'm not gonna treat you here in KFC.
Oh yeah, you're right.
You know, guys, here in Australia, their gravy,
It's unlimited.
it's not free. You, my God, there's no etiquette, huh? Excuse me for what my sons did. You know, guys. See, he's laughing. Because I said to him that I have to film this, record this,
She wanted to.
because it's always like teasing me or what. He's telling me that, Mom, don't vlog, okay? No one will watch you. And he said that I don't know how to speak English. I'm trying my best, That's why. So now we're done eating.
Are we still gonna go to Coast?
We have to go to Coles to buy something. Coles here is
no
like
Montana.
a supermarket where we can buy their
Lots of things.
veggies. Yes, it's a grocery. I don't want to remove my shades because my eyes is
Yeah, because
Kinda.
She looks so
kinda pangit,
beautiful.
beautiful. So that's it. So you have to clean up. Oh my God! See my hot chocolate. He got my hot chocolate. He got everything. Oh my sunny for my this one. So I have to. You don't want this one?
Do you want it?
It's really good, guys.
Guys.
Mm. Hmm? Yeah. You know, it's really hot in here. It's summer.
Oh, the chip. The chip.
See, guys. We put some chips inside of my hot chocolate. See, so cheeky, Mikhail. You're so cheeky. You see this, guys?
The chip.
You clean up this one. You have to ask at the ano doon,
Huh?
a tissue. Ang tamis. So sweet. Mm. That's just my plan. That's my, see my tummy. That's the 3 KFC inside. 3 chicken inside. Gravy. What else?
Fries.
Fries.
And then the bun is here.
The buns is in here. See, these are big bags. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye-bye.
See you next time for our mukbang.
Yeah.
We're in
KFC.
KFC. We're going to other places that you can have a mukbang. Thank you for watching. I love you, guys. Mga kalasan. Bye-bye.